Hi, this is BATIR Constructions Ltd. We are here at Embu County to showcase this beautiful 3-bedroom bungalow with a semi-flat roof and a very beautiful chimney incorporated. With me here, I have staircase. This is what is leading us to the slab, the terrace slab. This staircase is not the normal conventional staircase that is made of concrete. We have done a steel staircase, well reinforced with railing, and you see the landing is also steel, and the terrain, or the, what do I call it, it's not very slopey, it's not very steep. It's quite conducive for people of all ages and very strong to hold anybody of any weight. So this leads us to the terrace slab, as you can see, and it is well supported with very big tubes. You can see the tubes that are supporting the steel staircase. Very well done. So we go up, we see our terrace slab. So you can see it's quite good, not very steep, very easy to climb on, and it welcomes us to our roof and the terrace slab. So for this specific house, the client's budget was a bit, she was willing to put some money into the slab, because putting up a slab is quite expensive, because down here you have to begin from down. You do the normal bases, you do the normal columns. Then for this project we have used the beam and block. So that is the beam and block. Then being a flat roof, you have to do waterproofing. What is waterproofing? Waterproofing, when you do waterproofing, you restrain the water. When it is raining, water does not seep in the slab down to the house. So what have we done for this house? We have first done the waterproofing screed. After casting on the beam and block, after the screed, the waterproof screed, we burnt the APP. After, we are going to show you how we did it. You can follow, you can see photos. After doing the APP, we did the terrazzo. This is the client's choice. The color of the terrazzo is the client's choice. After doing the terrazzo, what is remaining here is cleaning up and polishing it. So for this slab, being a flat roof, we have to put on a security measure such that one who is on top cannot topple down and fall, causing accidents. So we did this railing where you have these spaces. We are going to do the CNC cutting to enhance the beauty of this rail. Isikae kama kawaida. It should be very unique. Then on this, we incorporated, after the terrace slab, we had our hidden roof. You can see. So this house, for once, when you outside, you can see, you think it's a flat roof house. But now, this, we have also incorporated the very modern hidden roof. Well done. Very conducive for this area. There are no trees around, so it's quite good. Also, there being a very cold area, the client requested us to do a chimney, which was not on the budget. So this was a request which leads to an additional cost, but you have to sit down and agree. You see how the cost will affect the total project cost. So with this chimney, we use the normal Darugo stone, the normal machine cut. We did the chimney, we did the plaster, then we cladded it with mazeras inside and outside. So this is the mazeras that we used. The only remaining part is applying Transil, which works as waterproof. So you can see, you can incorporate in a house a chimney, a terrace slab, and still maintain your hidden roof design. This is the butterfly design. We appreciate your feedback. Ask as many questions as you would like, and I know we are going to answer as fast as we get your inquiries. Thank you so much. Continue subscribing, Build with Fidelis, and also continue following QS Fidelis Maiba at TikTok. Thank you so much.